Hi, my name is Stacy with WTI. Do you feel like sometimes because of your knees you have such a hard time sleeping? Then you may want to consider this great knee pillow from Vertdens. It has really transformed my husband's sleep behavior. This pillow especially is good if you're a side sleeper because it has a unique heart shape that makes it really easy to put between your knees while you're sleeping. On the outside is a really soft and really velvety style pillowcase, making it really comfy while you're sleeping. The inside has a beautiful memory foam pillow, which really springs back to life even if you've been squishing it all night. And you will keep it on thanks to the handle that's on the outside of the case. You can see you can wrap it around one leg. That way you don't have to worry about losing that pillow while you're sleeping. The case itself comes off so that you can easily wash it, and it goes back on with no problem even after drying it. They even included an extra pillowcase so you don't have to worry about not having your pillow, but rather you can sleep snugly all night. We all know the importance of having good sleep. Having it disrupted can really mess up your whole day. So if you need to have a knee pillow, go with this one. You will really find that it makes such a huge difference. But that's just my point of view.